The E02 error code on a Bosch dishwasher indicates a heating issue. Specifically that the dishwasher is unable to heat the water. This code is typically triggered by a faulty thermistor or a malfunctioning heating element. To address the problem, the thermistor should be inspected by first disconnecting the power and water supply to the dishwasher, then removing the drainage hose, racks, and screws that secure it to the cabinet. Once the dishwasher is pulled out and turned upside down, the branch pipe can be removed to access the thermistor. It can then be disconnected and tested using a multimeter. If it's faulty, it should be replaced, and the dishwasher reassembled. Alternatively, the heating element may be the cause, and inspecting it requires a similar initial process of disconnecting power and water supply, as well as removing the dishwasher from the cabinet, the outer door panel, inner access plate, lower dish rack, and spray arm must be removed, along with the filter basket and fine filter. The lower arm support should be detached from the sump, and the dishwasher laid on its back to remove the drain pump and uninstall the circulation pump and sump assembly. The heating assembly can then be detached and replaced with a new one, after which the dishwasher can be reassembled, and the power and water supply restored.